What up, everybody? It's your boy Slendy. Welcome back to SpeedCoast Garage. And today, my father, Swap Meet Pete, and myself will be taking our 1970 Yamaha Enduros through different types of terrain here in Southeast Volusia County. He is on his DT1, and I am on the CTMX project, my 1970 Yamaha CT1. The goal today is simple. We're going to put some miles on these bikes, hopefully find some back roads, and see what kind of trouble we can get into. So come along with us. Old bikes warmed up, it was finally time to hit the road. One of the things I enjoy most about these old motorcycles is that every ride feels like an adventure. Sometimes the best thing you can do for a project is to quit working on it and just go make some memories with it. And that's exactly what today was about. The CTMX project has come a long way, and this ride was about building confidence in the bike and enjoying the work that's already been done. Out here riding with the DT1, we holding our own. Dad and I have spent a lot of time around old motorcycles over the years, and some of my favorite rides are the simple ones where we just pick a direction and just see where it takes us. The CT1 was running great. Get it, boys! Woo! CTMX, what up? And the weather couldn't have been much better. The farther we got from town, the better the roads became. And before long, we started finding exactly what we were looking for. Quiet back roads, hardly any traffic, and the kind of scenery that reminds you why these old trail bikes were so popular in the first place. Roads like this almost feel like they were made for motorcycles like the CT1 and the DT1. The pace slows down a little, you stop worrying about where you're going, and you start paying attention to everything around you. The deeper we got into the countryside, the more it felt like we had stepped back in time. Two old Yamahas just cruising roads that they were engineered perfectly for. As good as the ride had already been, things got a little more interesting when we spotted something off to the side of the road. A fire trail that disappeared into the woods, and naturally, that got our attention. Neither of us knew exactly where it went, but that's kind of the point of days like this. Sometimes the best part of an adventure is turning down a road you've never been on before.
This is sweet though, this is a good spot back here, man.
So we pointed the bikes toward the woods and went exploring.
Woo! This thing is skating, boy!
At first, the trail didn't seem all that bad. It looked like an access road, but the further we went, the stranger things started getting. There were abandoned boats and jet skis sitting off in the brush. Some of them looked like they'd been there for decades. Some of them, maybe just a couple months. Before long, the strange stuff disappeared and the trail opened up into some beautiful Florida woods. The further we got from the road, the more it felt like we had the entire place to ourselves. That's when the real challenge started. The trail started getting softer, then softer. Then it turned into exactly what every Florida rider loves to hate.
Sugar sand.
If you've never ridden through deep Florida sugar sand, imagine trying to steer a motorcycle through powder.
Woo! This thing is skating, boy!
There were definitely a few moments where it felt like the CT1 and I were having two completely different ideas about where we wanted to go. But the old Yamahas did surprisingly well. And I have to say, this old CT project definitely passed the test. For a bike that's over 50 years old, I was thoroughly impressed. And by the end of the day, we'd ridden pavement, back roads, dirt roads, and deep sand, which was a whole lot of fun.
Hell yeah.
And spending the afternoon riding my vintage Yamaha with my dad, Swap Meet Pete, isn't a bad way to kill some time either.
Woo!
And the whole ride home, I was thinking about what's next for the CTMX and where this project is headed. I appreciate you guys hanging out for another video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more CTMX content, C10 content, or any of the other multitude projects we have going on here at SpeedCoast. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.